We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the verb. To meet, as in to meet a person. The past tense or past simple of the verb to meet is pronounced as met, a short e sound, met. An example of sentence would be, yesterday I met the president. Met. The past participle of the verb to meet is also pronounced as met. Same pronunciation here. An example would be, I have met the president once in my life. Met. Overall, meet, met, met. Meet, met, met. And now you know. Here are more videos to learn and practice all the pronunciation of all the most commonly used irregular verbs in English. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. Thanks for that, and thanks for watching.